come at a lot. Placing the logs, and then he's going to fill in between them with dirt. Here's what you have. So there we go, everybody. He's made me 2 beds, enough for, I think they're 16 feet long, 4 feet wide. I put plastic there, the fabric cloth down, and we're gonna go away for 5 days. So when I come back, I'm just gonna pop holes in there and plant my tomatoes in these 2 beds. There's room for, let's see now, if they're 16 feet wide, every 2 feet, 2 rows, 32 each bed. It's not quite big enough, but anyways. And my onion, or my garlic and peas, or oh gosh, garlic and carrots. And then over here along the fence, my peas are coming up. Now the peas, they were fine during a frost. Peas don't mind frost. Beans, well, that would have killed them. And I put a little bit of clay in the bottom of those 3 totes. I'm going to fill them with dirt, and then I'm going to plant peas in there, and then 2 weeks later plant peas in there, and 2 weeks later plant peas in there, and then something along the front. I'm not sure just quite yet, but still got lots of room here in this enclosed area, and I do feel safe being here with that high 6-foot fence around the perimeter, that no bear is going to just accidentally stumble across me. At least we got that fence in between us. And the lynx, he can just bugger off. I've seen him quite a few times, and I don't like him at all. If I want to fight with something, I'd rather fight a bear or a dog or a wolf, not a lynx. Don't like them. Anywho, so that's an update on what's going on here. Cindy Squirrel, love y'all.